Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about a topic we get a lot of questions on, and that is what are commercial door closer grades? So with that being said, a grade, when we refer to a door closer grade, what we're referring to is an ANSI classification for how many cycles a door closer is rated for. So as an example, grade 1 would be the best grade you can give a door closer, and that means that specific door closer has been rated for 2 million door cycles. A grade 2 would be a door closure that is rated for 1 million door cycles, and a grade 3 would be a door closure that's rated for 500,000 cycles. So how do grades play into what helping you determine which door closer to purchase? The grade system was essentially designed so that it could help you determine the right door closer for your application. So what I mean by that is if your door application is, let's say, the front entrance door to a mall, a big shopping center, or a school, you're going to want to use a grade 1 door closer because it's rated for more cycles, it's more heavy duty, it is reliable, and it's been essentially tested to last a long duration. You wouldn't want to put a grade 3 door closer on a busy entrance such as those because, the grade 3 has been tested for much less cycles, and as a result, you would view the grade 3 as not as robust, durable, or heavy duty as that of a grade 1 door closer. So with that being said, when you're looking to purchase a commercial door closer, you have to take the grades into consideration, but you also have to take into account the environment at which that door is located. So as an example, we know that a commercial restroom door would not get nearly as much frequency as that of a front entrance door to school. However, with that, if we're talking a commercial restroom door inside of a school, just by knowing that application and knowing that, okay, schools, the doors and hardware tend to get abused, you're going to want to put a grade 1 door closer on any kind of commercial school door because one, it's going to be abused. We've seen situations where the actual door closer arms are bent from kids doing pull-ups on them or abusing them in some manner. So, even though that door may not be used as frequent as the front entrance door, I would still recommend to always, I always recommend to always use a heavy duty closer, invest in a heavy duty door closer, such as a grade 1, because you'll have the peace of mind knowing it's going to last. If you were to put let's say you put a grade 3 door closer on that school door, school restroom door, although, the grade 3 can last up to 500,000 cycles, a grade 3 door closer doesn't have the internal components that a grade 1 door closer has. The grade 3 uses lesser quality materials, and as a result, it just doesn't last as long. Well, that plays into the factor of, the heavy dutyness of the door closer. So a grade 3, would fail prematurely, not only just due to not being as heavy duty, having a good quality spring inside, or having as good quality components, whether that be the closer piston or the spindle itself, or even the arm assembly itself. So the grades are definitely important for you to consider when purchasing a door closer. And to give you an idea of what I mean by this is, as a manufacturer of commercial doors, when we offer we actually offer our own brand of door closers called the Commando door closer line. And we actually do not even offer grade 2 or grade 3 door closers because with our experience, they just don't last like that of a grade 1 door closer. So we offer 2 Commando door closer models, our basic Commando door closer, which can be used 9.5 times out of 10 on any commercial door application. And it's the aluminum cast style that you see on a lot of storefront aluminum glass doors. And then we offer a Commando HD, which you see on a lot of architectural doors. This is the one with the closer, the heavy duty closer body that's a larger footprint and has a cover that goes over it to protect it. And both these door closers we offer are grade 1 door closers. And if you remember what I said earlier, grade 1 it's been tested for up to 2 million door cycles that is completed. Well, both of our Commando door closers meet that, but they actually exceed that. They've been tested for way more cycles than just that. It's just that the grading system is grade 1. To meet grade 1, you just have to hit the 2 million door duty cycles. So with that being said, when you buy our product, it exceeds these standards. It is, in my opinion, the best products on the market, the Commando door closers. And there's a reason why we only offer grade 1. If you're shopping around, you may see lower cost door closers, but at the end of the day, you have to use your common sense. Some of these door closers, they don't even list the grade. Well, why wouldn't they list the grade? Because it may not even meet grade 3. It may be below that. It may not even meet the 500,000 cycles. And different, or maybe it's only a grade 2. But with our units, we are an actual door manufacturer, so we have to make sure that the door hardware we sell can actually be used on our commercial doors. Because at the end of the day, if we manufacture a commercial door, sell it to a commercial building owner or contractor, and the door actually breaks due to a defective door closer or maybe bad door hinges, right? It's not actually the door and frame itself, but it's actually the components that cause the issue. That looks bad on us. So with our Commando door closers, if you actually compare apples to any other brand or model, you'll see that we excel. I mean, our closers come with an adjustable spring 1 to 6, so they can be installed on virtually any size door. They're UL10C fire rated, so they can be installed on fire rated doors. They come tri-pack standard, so you can install them top jam, standard regular, or parallel arm mount. Any bells and whistles that you need, our door closer essentially comes with, including back check, which helps cushion the door from opening, which elongates the health of your door's lifespan, especially in abusive environments like schools or any place else like that, gas station doors, etc. So I'll put a link down below for these products. If you have any other questions, please email us at sales@autodooronhardware.com. Thanks, guys.